This is the era of the fourth industrial revolution. The information of the world is being integrated, and information and communication technology, called ICT, is undergoing remarkable development. However, there is one thing that can slow or even reverse this trend. That is environmental pollution. The causes of environmental pollution are becoming even more complex and fragmented. The R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology is actively supported by the government of the Republic of Korea for the development of world-class environmental measurement technology meant to protect our green planet. In 2014, the Ministry of Environment established the R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology in order to develop world-class environmental measurement technology. The R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology supports the development of accurate and precise measuring devices in an attempt to cope with environmental pollution issues, which are becoming increasingly serious as time goes on. It especially is helping to create a sustainable environment by developing measuring devices for any condition or situation. R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology is cooperating with excellent researchers in Korea with the goal of achieving a world-class technological level in the field of environmental measuring devices to create a sustainable environment. Erica Institute and Hanyang University is working on the measurement and analysis of ultrafine dust in the air quality using the Unmanned Aviation Vehicle, UAV, equipped with a micro-mini ultrafine particle concentration and mass concentration measuring device called OMNAS. HUMAS is working on the development of an automatic measuring device for water pollutants, TOC, TNTP, and field-oriented test bed realization.
안녕하십니까. 수질 분석 전문 기업 휴마스입니다. 저희 휴마스에서는 TOC 자동 분석기, TNTP 자동 분석기, 중금속 자동 분석기, 탁도 자동 분석기 등 다양한 자동 분석기를 개발하여 판매하고 있습니다.
ASEN is working on the development of an analytic device for odor-inducing substances using chromatography.
저희가 개발한 본장비는 온라인 열탈착 가스 크로마토그래프 장비입니다. 대기 중에 존재하는 악취 및 VOC를 시료 도입을 통해서 농축한 후에 컬럼을 통해서 분리 분석을 하고요. 검출기를 통해서 각각의 성분이 얼마큼 들어있는지를 찾아내는 장비가 되겠습니다. 그 결과물은 보시는 소프트웨어와 같이 크로마토그램을 통해서 정량, 정성 분석을 표시하게 됩니다.
The Industry Academy Collaboration Foundation in Konkuk University is working on the development of an analytic measuring device for complex harmful substances from air pollutant emission sources and the implementation of core research development. CESCO and ELT Sensor is working on the development of indoor air quality measuring devices for multi-use facilities and installation and research for indoor experimental infrastructure and test beds.
이 센서는 세계 최초로 개발한 5000ppm 이하 저농도 감지가 가능한 초소형 메탄 센서입니다.
The Science Lab Center company is working on water quality, quantity, odor quality measuring devices in various forms, like stationary, mobile, and boat type, for the purpose of monitoring, and in-house experimental infrastructure.
저희 회사는 먹는 물을 안전하게 관리할 수 있는 수질 다항목 측정 장치를 개발하였고, 개발된 센서를 무인보트에 활용하여 사람 손이 닿지 않는 상수원의 관리를 위해 모니터링 시스템을 개발하여 상용화시켰습니다.
BL Process is working on the development of online heavy metal measuring devices and in-house experimental infrastructure.
저희 BL 프로세스는
물 중에 유해 중금속을 모니터링할 수 있는 계측 장비를 개발하고 있습니다. 전기학 방식을 이용한 측정 시스템과 광학을 이용한 측정 시스템을 통해서 물 중에 납, 수은, 비소와 시안, 크롬에 대한 분석을 진행을 하고 있습니다.
Furthermore, APM Engineering Incorporated is working on an atmospheric heavy metal monitoring device. The Korea Research Institution of Standard and Science and Kintech is working on a measuring device for harmful chemical substances in the air and the workplace. The Korea Testing Laboratory is conducting performance trials and verification on Green Patrol development technology. The R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology is carrying out the various supporting activities such as market research, technological research, professional workshops, exhibition, and MOU to step into the global market. Recently, we have processed an environmental exhibition, a technology roadshow, and a Green Patrol CEO forum in Gwangju, and collected practical fruit for commercialization through a contract with the Korea Environmental Corporation and Korea Water Resource Corporation.
그린 페트롤 사업단은 대한민국 정부가 현재 주도하고 있는 글로벌 사업 환경기술발 사업의 일환으로 출범하였습니다. 현재 산업화와 도시화가 가속화됨에 따라 전 지구적 환경오염 문제는 점차 심각해져가고 있습니다. 특히 미세먼지, 비면 오존, 수질 악화로 인한 성수만 고갈 문제 등 산재한 문제 해결의 첫걸음 바로 우수한 환경 측정기를 만들어 전 세계에 보다 많이 보급하는 것입니다. 특히 4차 산업혁명 시대를 맞이하여 전 세계는 환경 빅데이터의 생산을 적극적으로 요구하고 있습니다. 따라서 보다 정확하고 정밀한 가성비 높은 환경 측정기를 개발하여 전 세계에 보급하는 것이 우리 사업단의 핵심 비전입니다. 감사합니다.
The R&D Center for Green Patrol Technology dreams of only one thing. That is to preserve the Earth's environment, making it sustainable, healthy, and safe. Through this, we try to provide our environment and industry with the foundation of their coexistence. Challenge for a sustainable green Earth. Challenge toward the global market on the basis of technology and trust. Even at this moment, the innovation of the center never ceases, and its challenge for the future continues.